So what is progress in Yoruba? Progress. Ìlọsíwájú. Progress. Ìlọsíwájú. Lọ is to go. Lọ is to go. Lọ, go. Iwájú, front or forward. Iwájú, front or forward. Right. Or you say ìtẹ̀. Síwájú, tẹ̀ means to match. Tẹ̀ means to match, right? So bí àpẹẹrẹ, for example, tó bá ní mo tẹ̀ síwájú, tẹ̀ to match forward, right? Or to go forward. So lọ síwájú, that is going forward, and that is progress, right? So ìlọsíwájú àbí or ìtẹ̀síwájú, right? So then what is setback? Setback is ìfàsẹ́yìn, right? The word fà means to draw. Fà wá bí fà. So ó ní ìlọsíwájú. Ìfàsẹ́yìn, to pull back. Fà also means to pull, to draw, or to pull, right? So sí ẹ̀yìn, sí to back, ẹ̀yìn, right? Ìlọsíwájú, progress. Ìtẹ̀síwájú, progress. Ìfàsẹ́yìn, setback, right? Then ìdúrósójú kan, stagnant, right? Tó bá ní ó ní ìlọsíwájú àbí a ní ìlọsíwájú, we have progress, we have made progress. A ní àti ní ìlọsíwájú àbí a ní ìlọsíwájú. Oh, a rí ìfàsẹ́yìn, you can have it, you can own it, right? Wọ́n ní ìfàsẹ́yìn díẹ̀, they had little setback. Wọ́n rí ìfàsẹ́yìn díẹ̀, they witnessed some setbacks, right? A ní ìlọsíwájú, that means we are making progress. A rí ìlọsíwájú ní ọdún tó kọjá, we witnessed some level of progress last year, right? So, and then do you say, báwo ló ṣe wá máa sọ, are we making progress as a company? Are we making progress as a company? How do you say that in Yoruba? Are we making progress as a company? How do you say that in Yoruba? Like, boom, boom, boom,